In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore your Outlook data in Microsoft Outlook on Windows. This is an important process because it helps you protect your emails, contacts, calendar items, and other mailbox data in case of system issues, accidental deletion, or when moving to a new computer. To begin, open the Microsoft Outlook application on your Windows computer and make sure you are in your main mail view. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. This will take you to the Account and Settings area where you can manage your mailbox and data files. From there, click on Open and Export. In this section, select Import/Export. A new wizard window will appear that guides you through the backup process step by step. To create a backup, choose the option that says Export to a file, then click Next. After that, select Outlook Data File, which is also known as a PST file. This file format contains all your Outlook data, including emails, contacts, and calendar entries. Next, choose the mailbox folder you want to back up. If you want a complete backup, select your main mailbox and make sure to include subfolders so that everything is saved. Then choose a location on your computer where you want to save the backup file. You can select your desktop or any folder that is easy for you to find later. Once you confirm the location, click Finish. Outlook will begin creating your backup file, and depending on the size of your data, it may take a few moments to complete. Now, to restore your Outlook data, go back to the same Import/Export wizard. This time, select Import from another program or file, then choose Outlook Data File. Browse and locate the backup file you previously saved. Then choose how you want Outlook to handle duplicates if any appear during the import process. After that, select the destination folder, usually your main mailbox, and click Finish. Outlook will then import all your saved data back into your application, restoring your emails and other items. And that's it. You now know how to back up and restore your Outlook data in Microsoft Outlook on Windows. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.